morning, guys. This is Ryan with Anything RC, and today I'm going to show you how to solder something real quick. I don't know if this helps anybody out or not, but check it out. See what you think. Thumbs up if you like it. Thumbs down if you don't. But if you thumbs down, you guys got to let me know why you thumbs down, because then I can make the videos better for you. Alright, here goes. First thing you got to do is turn on your iron. Then you need to get your wires that you're going to strip. Okay, so I'm going to cut this little thing off anyways, this plug. So, cut the plug off. Then, pull it through there. Strip your wires with this. It's quite easy. You can just strip it with your fingernails. I'm going to split the wires some. And get myself a piece of heat shrink. This piece will work. Then you're going to cut yourself two nice little pieces here. You want to get good coverage of the wire on this, so I'm going to cut a little decent size there. Alright, once you have all your wires stripped, personally, I like to clamp them down. Then, once you have them all clamped down, you get your soldering iron. You always make sure your soldering iron's clean. Then, you get and you tin both ends of your wire. Just want to put it on until it gets nice and silver like that. You can see the tin, the wire actually take the solder. So, then once that happens, you always clean off your tip, and you can get your heat shrink and slip it on. Always put the heat shrink on before you solder, otherwise you'll have to unsolder and then reheat shrink. So these are really small wires, so it doesn't take very much temperature to get them to stick, so I can hold the wire, but if not, this is how you would do bigger wire. Get it to where they're nice and close to each other, just like that. Clean it off. Tin your iron. A little solder on there. Then you join them together. Let it cool off. That should be good. I always like to give it a little tug. Solid. Same thing with the negative. Tin your iron. Same thing over and over again. Okay, that wire is dirty. Okay, now this should be easy. Get in, tin the wires. The wire's not really wanting a tin. Let's see, did that stick? It didn't. Maybe we need some flux on there.
Don't forget, hit that